Morning everyone, last video of the week. What I wanted to talk about was the idea of commenting on people's posts on social media and everything like that. So I recently put up a post where I talked about some controversial topics of why I think traditional physical therapy doesn't work. Proceeded to get some mean and hateful comments, and basically what I want to say to people and what I do myself is if something bothers me or I don't like it, normally what I do is I either block it, delete it, or I don't watch it. But if I do have a problem with it, what I will do is actually send that person a private message and open up an area of dialogue and open up constructive criticism back and forth. If you're one of these people that goes right away and you're hating and pushing on the keyboards with a bunch of anger, it doesn't make you come across as someone very beneficial or someone that has a good insight there as well. So next time you get pissed off or angry at a video or something you don't like, send that person a private message and see what happens, or tell them you don't like it, or even better, don't watch their video, get on with your day, be happy, and be a productive member of society. Hope everyone has a great weekend. We'll see you guys Monday morning.